What's up, folks? Tiny's morning update, July 6th, Fed Day. So, yesterday I said I really thought that the 83 level would hold. It did not. But I did say that the 45 to 35 level, here's your 35, would be defended. And that was your 44 was your low. So, you have this wall down here. That's going to be an important level. So I'd watch that to see if that breaks on the downside. And then upside, you really need above 38.50 for this to continue higher. And we're not far from that with this consolidation. You only have a 40-point range overnight. It should be quiet until 2 p.m. just because this this is going to be important. So people are dying to know if this is going to continue, if they're going to take their gas, the foot off the gas, if they're going to press further. I don't know. I don't care to wager. I figure I just sit back and watch. I would suggest you guys do too. If you guys can sneak in a few wins prior to the Fed, that's fine. But just know that your premiums are going to go nowhere. They will hold throughout the day because the expectation is so high. And then, of course, after the Fed, that will be diminished. You'll have a Holocaust scenario. But it will be interesting to see which way we move, if we move at all from the Fed, if it just kind of says what everybody thinks it is. It's just going to hike another 50 or 75. That might not have an effect. I don't know. I don't have an idea on this one today, so I'm just going to watch. So again, range I want 37.40 to 38.50. I'd like to see that break. Other than that, we're kind of just right in the neutral zone. 25 is still a huge level, 38.25. So I would watch that. That can continue to be the over/under for today, to be honest. 38.11 is your pivot. 38.80 R1 and 37.65. These have held fairly true. We had the dip down yesterday, the buy back up. We'll see if they can continue that up or if we head back down. Again, I don't know, and we probably won't know until 2:05. The biggest story though is the fact that the euro is just about at parity. This is a crazy. This is the daily. So February 10th, the euro was trading 114 versus the dollar. We're at 101.65 is the low right now. So I would see this going to parity. I don't know how far this will continue. But if it gets below parity and it starts to get panic, this is going to get very interesting. This is why I focus on this. We're almost to the point where this gets too much lower, and then where equities are going to get bid. U.S. equities will get bid as a flight to safety because their currency is collapsing. But that would be under parity, and we'll see. Again, we'll have to see how much pain is there, but this is definitely something to watch. And you can also take a look at it too, as you started to see the divergence. You had your little, almost head and shoulders here that broke. Then you're down, but our market is kind of held steady, even though this is down almost a full point today. These are huge currency moves. So keep an eye on the euro as it disintegrates. Yes, I've been waiting for this, and yes, this makes me very happy. Other than that, I would stay clear, or I'm going to stay clear of markets today. Here's your daily. Here's my little line I drew. We're still on downward channel. From a volume aspect, we need above 3,900 to get back up into this area. Then we get into the 40.70, 41.70 range. All that. Now we do have, I keep pointing this out. 32.28 is your naked POC on the 2-year volume, and then your 50 retrace is 34.91. I will continue to say I'd like to see 3,500 before we revert back up. But again, who knows? We trade the day, so it doesn't matter. But I would stay away from today. We are pretty much right at 38.01 is the 38 fib retrace from COVID low to all-time high. That's what these are, these levels, and it's done pretty well for kind of a level. So 3,800 is obviously something to watch. But we'll see today. I don't know. I'm just gonna watch. I'm gonna see what our dysfunctional Fed says and what the market believes and what information comes after that. Anyway, stay safe. I would suggest you don't trade, but you guys can do whatever you want. It's your money, your account, your trade, and we'll be here, or I'll be here all day plugging around. Have a good day.